Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get fast delivery on Temu. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, we all know that sometimes deliveries using Temu here or from Temu is quite slow. So, this is due to how things work with Temu with their logistics. Sometimes it's going to be really fast, sometimes it's going to be really low. Totally depends on their logistics in your region. Now, this is a region specific, in this case, criteria or a this case situation. So sometimes certain regions would support fast delivery, but certain regions may not. So just keep in mind that this may work for some, but not for everyone. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and click on cart at the bottom right here. And let's go and click on the checkout at the bottom right of your screen so that we could see our checkout page. Now, inside the checkout page here, you should be able to see your items, your payment methods, and also the option here for shipping. Now, in this case, it will describe your, in this case, the delivery options here. If you want to learn more about the delivery, you can click on learn more, and it will give you all the information about the delivery. Now, typically, depending on your region, you'll be able to get your item in about like 15 days. So typically, that's how they make their deliveries. But in some regions, like what I said, in some regions they would have the option that says here fast delivery. So if you do get an option that says fast delivery inside your checkout page here, it means the region does support that. Now, in some cases, if you do click on the fast delivery option, they will ask you to add a fee they will add a fee into your actual order here to expedite the actual shipping process. Because again, it's going to go outside of their usual process, and they will basically handle your item in a more in this case priority way. So they will prioritize your item. But then again, it costs with a fee. So usually around like $10 to $20, depends totally on your region. But then again, you just need to click on click on the expedite or fast delivery option here, and you should be able to use it. But then again, it's not available in all regions. So that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.